Tomorrow is the day where I fix my lighting and the plain background. But today's a good day. Today we are unboxing one of Apple's most elusive products. They don't even include it with half their stuff anymore. I'm pretty sure it's with your phone, but I can't recall and I'm too lazy to do research. I know it's not with your new Apple Watch. I know it's not with your MacBooks because it's not a MacBook charger. But it is this brick that's not focusing because it's on manual. So it's this brick, and obviously we're not doing the charger because Apple decides not to include the brick. I decided not to include the charger in this video. But anyways, let's get into it. Okay, so obviously here we got our little charger, and now let's find a way to open it. Personally, I think I can feel like the plastic melting. Right here it's a bit sticky. Here's just the label. So obviously that, but there's some glue. So I feel like I'll just have to melt that off too. Okay, I feel like that should probably be good for melting the glue off. And ow, it is hot. And here we go. Hopefully you can see that we got it open. So it turns out heat is the best way to open this. And this is the brick pretty much. Has a little tab. I don't know what those are for. And apparently heat damages like electronic things. So I will just open this up. So there that goes. So once you burn that, okay, so we got this. See, a USB thing goes here. This was $20 in itself. Comes with 2 prongs, which are located here and here for easy wall plugging. Kind of hard to see, but right there they have their little Apple logo, just to make sure they know like this is from Apple, even though I'm pretty sure this design is pretty much recognizable at this point. A waste of $20 for this one brick without the charging cable. And actually, if you look at the charging cable, that is another $20. And just let me know if you want an unboxing of that soon. It's pretty much white, pretty much Apple, and pretty much a waste of money. Honestly, I feel like these should just come with all phones. You shouldn't have to replace these that often. Personally, I got mine stolen, probably because I didn't light them on fire before. But yeah, that's it.